Okay, you're on. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
You guys show them your pumpkins you guys picked?
Daddy, look what pumpkins. Look what pumpkin I picked.
And Caden painted that one, yeah.
How scary is mine to look?
It's really scary. You guys got to paint 2 of them, and then we'll carve them this weekend.
What's this weekend?
Okay, Carter, go sit by Caden.
What does this weekend?
This weekend we get to go trick or treating
This weekend?
at the school. Yes.
I'm gonna tell Daddy.
Okay, tell Daddy what you want to carve on your pumpkin.
I'm gonna carve out my pumpkin. I'm gonna carve out this one and this one.
Are you gonna make a scary face on him?
Is this colors?
Carter, what are you gonna carve on your pumpkin?
So this one's colors, right, Mama?
You're gonna do what? You're gonna do a scary face on yours, Carter?
Is this one?
Yeah, that's yours, I think.
This one? No, the colors.
Oh, okay, that's Carter's.
So right here between them. Well, that's fine. And since look at my pumpkin, how I painted it. It looks pretty good, huh, Dad?
It does look good.
Thanks.
And what are you doing, crazy child? Okay, go sit by your pumpkins. Go sit by your pumpkins. You can tell Daddy bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Tell Daddy bye, Caden.
Bye, Daddy.
Tell him Happy Halloween.
Not tonight yet. And I hope you get back by when we get trick-or-treating.
Oh, tell me what you told him. Are you gonna save? What are you gonna save him?
What?
What are you gonna save him?
Bye, Daddy.
Are you gonna save Daddy some candy?
Bye, Daddy.
All right, bye. I'm turning it off.
Bye.